You can see a small bullet designed cigar punch. It has a ring so that you can put it on keys and have it with you wherever you go. It can also easily be attached to your bag via this ring. It is very textured and provides comfort to your hand, and design ensures that it is not easily damaged. Just screw out the circular blade. Press the cigar punch into the guitar head right in the middle perfectly, and then use the push button to press out any cigar excess effortlessly. It's made of stainless steel, so it's both sharp and lightweight. Overall, it looks great, and it works well, and it's perfect for any cigar lovers.